Dear students, in this unit we will talk about the derived characters of vertebrates. As you are aware that vertebrates are one of the advanced animals on this planet Earth, and they are an important member of phylum Chordata. Approximately 45,000 different species of vertebrates they exist on this biosphere. Now, as when they branched off from the other members of the craniata, they possessed certain characteristics, and those characteristics was arrived because of gene duplication due to a group of transcription factors, different genes. They are called as DLX family. Due to the role of these transcription factors, the gene duplication took place, and that gene duplication has helped them in the modification and into the transformation of their body into different successful habitats, and they have adapted accordingly. As the chordates, these vertebrates, they have special features. For example, presence of a notochord. Then they have a dorsal hollow nervous system, which is in the form of a nerve cord. Then they have pharyngeal slits and post-anal tails. These vertebrates, they are further differentiated from chordates by the presence of a vertebral column. Vertebral column, actually, it has transformed their notochord, which has developed. Notochord has actually developed into the vertebral column, and in this vertebral column, the bony vertebrae, they are separated through discs. In some vertebrates, when we recall, the vertebrates are their vertebrae are a little more than small sponges of cartilages. Actually, instead of bones, they are small sponges of cartilage, which are arrayed dorsally along the notochord. Majority of the these vertebrae enclose the spinal cord, which is the backbone. As you might have observed in humans, this backbone encloses the nerve cord, and it has taken over the mechanical role of a notochord. So instead of notochord, we have vertebral column, which act as a mechanical support for our body. When we talk about the aquatic vertebrates are the higher animals which live in the water bodies. They have also acquired certain fins, which are dorsal, ventral, and anal fins. These are stiffened by the bony structures called fin rays. They also provide thrust and steering control when they have to swim inside the water after the prey or away from the predators. As you can see in these diagrams, you can see these are the anal fins. Then we have dorsal as well as ventral side fins. So these are the modifications of the bony structures which help them successfully adapt in the aquatic environment. Then another specialized characteristics is that their skin is covered with scales, feathers, fur, or hair. These features are very important as they function as waterproofing and as an insulation to their bodies. Vertebrates also have very advanced closed circulatory system with the pumping heart, and their blood is completely contained within the blood vessels, which carry the blood throughout the body, and almost all the cells which are present in the body of these vertebrates, they are directly in contact with those blood vessels, so that exchanges of nutrients as well as different gases takes place efficiently.